Was hoping I would be able to see them again tonight. I didn't have my camera with me the last time I was.
Have a good evening.
Thanks, you too. Yeah, there they are. Look at Mooney. Mooney's just being really good. Mooney's being really good. Okay, so now Mooney seems to be noticing something. What do you think? Oh, look at that. How cool is that? Yeah. And I think Mooney just finally noticed something. You want to play, Mooney? Somebody put some lights on, so now I got some backlighting.
Must be something that's sleeping on right there, probably like that.
Possibly, and I saw one fox go along the side of this house to the right, and then later I saw some going under the HVAC unit, the house on the left here.
Yeah, I told Melissa that there's a couple foxes there.
I did a little bit of Google searching, and most fox kits are born like early March. And I think 12 weeks is a big transition for them. So these guys probably are, I would guess, 6 to 8 weeks maybe.